Hello guys, it's Verzikten here. Please enjoy and I'll see you on the next video.
Tina, oh my god, we were so good, Miss Tina.
Yeah, you guys almost had that, but that disconnect. Wait, Bretman, can you really leave on that game? You guys had it. You had it, but then the disconnect.
That didn't count as last game.
Oh
that can't be your last one, right?
Okay, since I'm already here, I was literally gonna come and say goodbye.
One more, Bretman. Thanks for staying with us, Bretman. Thanks for staying.
I wanted to come and say goodbye, but I
3 cheers for Bretman. 3 cheers for Bretman.
Bretman is 3 more rounds. That's so hype.
Hog champion. Hog champion.
Totally not the imposter.
Alright.
Alright.
Oh, Breezy, thanhanks for the 5 gift subs. Breezy,
this mic
that's a
that I
whole
bought
bunch of
work.
gift
I
subs.
swear I'm not.
It actually sounds good.
Oh, hey, Ray. I like your new outfit.
You have to wait. You have to wait.
So, Ray, I saw this post that calculated when you're white with that headpiece, there's this 97% chance you're imposter.
Hey, thanks.
Really?
Yeah, what do you think of that?
I think it's, I must be pretty lucky because I'm only the 3% this game.
Oh. Yeah, I just made that up to test you.
Listen, I killed you first once today. It won't happen again.
All right, could you come up here with me?
Though.
Yeah, okay. Is it my turn?
Alright,
Look,
look,
an eye for an eye, a tooth for a tooth.
A tooth for a tooth.
Hey,
Carl?
guys.
Babushka.
You thought I'd kill Carl there?
Babushka.
Ray, there's rules on this. I can't just kill Carl. He came with us willingly.
Okay,
Oh my god.
Sykkuno.
I'm not gonna do it, Ray.
Carl.
I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna kill Carl.
Sykkuno. Sykkuno. It's okay.
Carl!
Sykkuno.
Carl, now she knows we're both imposter. What do we do?
Take a deep breath.
Why did you kill her? I was marinating her. She believed me.
Take a deep breath.
She believed me, Carl. She believed me. Now she knows we're both imposter.
We've been together the whole time.
I was marinating her. I had her in the palm of my wrist, hand. I was still
together.
marinating. We had her on the ropes. Why'd you kill her?
I know. I'm sorry. It's okay. We'll find another person to marinate together.
All right, all right.
Let's
Next
go to
one,
this-
next
let's go
one.
to my
Don't kill
studio
him. All right.
apartment.
I'll get the next
Okay.
one. Carl, you know what we should do?
What should we do?
Let's try and marinate Toast. Look. Here's what I think, Carl. Here's what I think. Toast. Nobody tries to marinate him because, like, everyone thinks he's immune.
Unmarinatable.
They think he's immune, but he's not used to it. His defenses are down now because he thinks I'm Toast. Nobody would marinate Toast.
Yeah.
Let's try and get him. Let's try and get him this
Let's
round.
go. Come on.
All right, don't kill him though. Don't kill him.
Okay, of course.
No, it was me that killed, like,
Alright.
on the wire, I think.
Oh, hey Toast, what's up?
Hi guys. Is everybody
Why?
alive?
Look, Toast,
Still
I will
let me go.
protect you this round, Toast.
Why this round? I was alive last round.
Oh, I just wanted to make sure you had fun, get some good
He's
YouTube
acting
videos.
real
That's
sus.
all.
He's acting real sus. I don't
Wait,
like
what
it.
do you mean,
I
Toast?
don't like it. He's
I'll
a mega
follow
sus.
Toast. Toast,
Yeah.
I'll follow
Get
also,
away
just
from
to
me,
make
get away from
sure.
me, get away from
No,
me.
I'll
Toast.
follow also, just to make
I'm
sure,
just
Toast.
keeping you
Omega
safe.
sus. Yeah, Omega sus.
What do you
I'll
mean,
follow you
Toast?
also,
What,
just
what do
to
you mean,
make sure.
sus?
Please
just to
close the
make
door
sure.
on us.
You guys are like
Wait, I'm innocent.
aggressive bodyguards that he
Just to make sure I'm
Just
following
keeping
you
him
no
safe.
matter what,
Protect him,
Toast.
protect him,
Let's get him.
protect him, protect him,
Yes, sir.
With
protect
protection.
him,
Let's
protect
protect
Toast,
this man until the day he dies.
protect him. I'm getting dizzy, but I'm protecting him. I'm getting dizzy.
I went
Oh,
around the
Jesus.
other way.
This
Counterclockwise
is
to
harder to
protect
follow
him.
than Rainbow Road in Mario Kart. Oh, Jesus.
That's a good video game reference.
It is, it is.
Alright, time for
Look,
my special
Toast, you know it's not me by now, right? Carl,
Well,
you
you
stay
know,
in there. I'll stay out here.
He's in.
What? He's out here! Oh, Jesus. Look,
Oh,
Toast, you
Jesus.
can't get away. I have imposter vision. You think you can get
Oh,
away?
Jesus.
You can't get away, Toast. I can see exactly where you are.
Oh, wait, who's
Dream?
dead? Is that Pokimane?
Oh.
No.
Who's dead?
Ray and Pokey, again.
Oh,
Wait.
Pokey's dead.
Wait, Pokey and Ray are dead?
Again.
Wait, Ray and Pokey
I
are
was just,
dead?
I was
Oh
just
my
reading
God.
I can't
Pokey.
believe it.
Pokey?
Wait, who killed
Pokey's dead,
Pokey?
head.
Let them
Wait,
Um,
Pokey and Ray are dead?
again. Yes.
You know what? Let's just.
Wait, again? I
Poke-
can't
uh,
believe it.
Wait,
Okay,
another
where is
time
where is
they're
everybody
Um,
right now?
I'm running towards the lights.
The only person that I know that it's not is Delirious.
Toast, you can clear me, right, Toast?
For core.
Toast just sprinted away from me as I was trying to protect
Why
him
am
with
I
my
in this
dear life.
position again where I
Um,
don't want to say who killed the person?
Wait,
Say that you think
Delirious,
it's
you
me,
know who
but
it
wasn't
is?
me.
Delirious.
You
Who
put
is it?
yourself in that
I
position.
know who it is.
No,
Go
no,
ahead
no,
and
no,
call
no,
him
you
out.
don't-
Exactly who it is.
Delirious, you got to
listen,
avenge
listen.
Ray and Pokey. Just call out
Delirious,
who it is.
Delirious. Can you guys hear me? It's like,
Do I want to
Yeah,
be
yeah,
a
we can hear
shrimp?
I can hear you. I can hear you.
Look,
Sykkuno.
Delirious,
hear me?
if you think it's me, I'll even vote for
Oh, I
myself.
don't think Sykkuno can hear me. Sykkuno
I,
can
wait,
hear me.
I can hear
Sykkuno,
you.
Can
Who is
Dream?
it?
Dream?
Dream? Hello? I just control Ard. Maybe I can.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Can you hear me now? Hello.
Yep, you sound good.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I was
Okay.
like, Delirious thinks it's me because I was last seen with Pokey, but I did
Yes.
not kill Pokey.
Yes,
Oh.
you did so.
No, no,
Kira.
I did.
You were
I did
holding
not.
her
I left.
hand.
Yeah,
Oh.
we were. Me, you,
were
and her
holding
were all
Pokemon.
together.
You were
This is
holding
our last
her
free
hand.
shot.
I can prove my innocence.
You killed
Look,
her.
we gotta do it for the
Toast.
tier 3 Pokey subs.
Okay, what do you have?
Take me to the door.
To the doors.
Take
Oh
me
my
to
God,
the
he's
glass
alive.
house.
I kept him alive for the doors.
No, he's alive.
Wait.
No,
Why
God.
did 6 people vote on 8?
There's no way.
Well, you know, that's our free shot, right?
Any voters? Any
To the
voters?
doors. To the doors.
All right.
Nobody
Let's,
open any doors.
That's
Oh, lights.
Guys,
doors.
I'm protecting
I
Toast.
hate-
Come on,
Protect
Sykkuno.
Toast. Protect Toast. I'm gonna follow him with my imposter vision.
Alright.
Hi, Corpse.
Alright, we'll bring
Hey,
Dream
I
to the
thought
door.
we were-
Nobody
Alright,
open the
did-
door. Don't
Take him
open
to
the
the door.
Oh, we're gonna do the thing.
It's
Yeah,
over.
we're gonna do the
Take
thing.
him to the door.
Oh.
To the door.
Alright, we're gonna
Open the
wait
door.
here.
Well,
We're gonna wait for
surely
the
they'll
imposter to
close it
the door.
eventually. Hold on, let me
Yeah.
close it
Alright,
right
wait,
now.
We are gonna figure
Yo,
this
get
I'm
out.
gonna
away from
close the
door.
doors
Get away
right
from
now,
the door.
watch.
I'll close the door right now.
Tina,
Yup.
close the door.
Get away from
closing
the door.
it.
There
Don't
you
open
go.
it. Don't open
Thank
it.
you,
Get away
Court.
from it.
Thank you.
Everyone
no
get away
problem.
from it. Move away from
Alright,
it. No,
I'm
higher,
far
Dream. You
away
gotta go
from
higher.
it.
Dream, you gotta go higher. Higher.
Everyone
Higher
back.
than
Higher, Dream. Higher.
A little there.
Just a little.
Oh.
Yeah.
Everyone
Higher.
back up.
That was so close to me! I almost died!
I think it is.
No, it's not me. It's not me. I
Dream.
promise. I promise you, it's not me.
Oh my god, I think
Oh,
we vote
it's-
Corpse here.
Oh, is
I'll
it
be
not
honest,
Dream?
guys. I was trying
Wait,
to
was it
open the
Dream?
door to cover for Dream, so I didn't see what happened. Who was it?
He killed.
He killed?
Yes.
Wait,
he
who was
did.
it?
Guys,
He did
look.
kill Dream.
It's gonna be
I think
really
it's
hard to
Corpse.
win
Pretty
this
sure
if my
it
partner
was
dies. Could we
Dream.
skip on 7?
Carl, it was Dream.
Yeah,
I just
vote
don't
for
want any of
skipping.
my
I'm-
teammates
you
to
guys
die,
not
so.
see
I'm not sure
that?
who it is, honestly. I have no idea who it is.
Dude, this is
Carl,
Dream, and I know
listen
it.
to my
My
voice.
vote
Well, then
goes
Tina
to the
Dream,
girls.
isn't it?
Bretman, I'll always listen to your voice.
Wow. I
It's
can't
hard not to.
Oh my god, you guys actually
Those
killed him.
voices.
Oh
Even
my
on
God,
7.
What if it's not him?
Hey, I got an extra kill. It's fair enough.
Oh, this is tough.
What if it's not Dream?
If it's not him,
Yeah.
the girls will be
Ooh, I
very
wanna die
disappointed.
next.
Well, it's
Force
definitely not
it.
me.
Oh no,
Um,
it's definitely not me, Sykkuno, or Toast.
Yep, that's true.
Wait, Sykkuno,
Do
you
you
have
have any
imposter
good
vision?
info?
Huh? Yep.
I-
Go ahead and
Ah,
run. I'll follow you.
Nothing.
No. We'll just kill you then if you're imposter.
Nothing at all, too.
Oh wait, I'm not imposter. I was just memeing.
We're doing it for the
You were
girls.
memeing?
or-
The only
or-
Yeah, you know how I do that when I'm innocent? You know I'm innocent, Toast.
No,
So
I
guys stop-
you're not imposter.
Nope.
Stop playing coy. You guys are playing coy. right
Watch
now.
this, Toast. I would kill
Toast?
Carl right now if I could.
Please don't.
I won't.
Are you guys going to?
Okay.
Okay, I'm also
I'm at the
here.
lights too. Hi, Toast and Carl.
Congrats, Toast. You did lights. Everybody, toasted lights.
Oh,
This
the
is
door
true.
Shut in my face.
Alright, well, I'm gonna. Toast is gonna hit the button, isn't he? Hello? Anybody around these parts? Huh, nobody's here. Interesting. Sar and orchestra. Carl? Who was that? Hello, Carl? Huh.
After you
Tina.
call
Oh, hey,
me
guys.
honey? Oh my.
No, Toast is alive.
Who the hell keeps turning off my lights?
Oh yeah, me too. Oh, I can't see anybody here. Corpse, Bretman and Tina. My lights are off too.
Sykkuno.
Carl,
Sykkuno, there you
Carl,
are. Hey.
Carl.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my God, who was
Wait.
just here? Corpse, Bretman, Tina I think was nearby, right?
Oh, that's a damn lie. Sykkuno,
Wait.
you
It is?
killed.
Wait, what?
Just now,
Wait.
didn't
Wait,
you?
no, I didn't. Corpse, you were there, right? Did you get the report button?
I'll be right back.
Be right back.
What?
What does that
You
mean?
know, you know why Corpse left? Is because he doesn't want to vote against this boy. Well, I'm a vote for the girls. It's Sykkuno.
Don't do it, Tina. You don't know what
Wait.
you're doing.
Tina, it's not
It
me. It's
couldn't
not
be
me, Tina.
Sykkuno.
You know it's not
Sykkuno
me.
didn't get either of the kills the first round.
'Cause he was opening
Yeah,
the
I was with
door.
Toast.
Oh.
No, I was Toast until
control
the end of the
R.
round.
I've been mistaken.
Oh
Toast,
no,
you
no,
there?
I think it's Tina.
Wait,
Yeah,
it wouldn't
yeah.
be me, Carl.
Who do you
Toast,
think
who
it
is
is,
it?
Toast?
I just want to kill you, so you know.
Wait, I reported the
Stop.
body. You know it's not me.
But you say I have imposter vision, and I can see
Oh.
all three of you. Were you
Oh.
memeing then?
No, I heard them talking.
It can't be. It can't
I'm like
be
I'm like
Sykkuno.
Daredevil, except I'm not blind.
Oh.
You know Daredevil? You ever see that
Wait,
guy?
Sykkuno, are you the
Hey,
imposter?
Sykkuno, you're Dare
Are you the
Angel.
imposter?
All right, I'm back.
No,
Sykkuno,
no.
you're not?
Corpse, I
Toast,
think
you
it's-
know I'm not imposter, right?
You know what? I'm gonna kill you now.
Oh my god! Oh my god, you guys actually voted for me!
Yeah, we
It
did.
had to happen, Sykkuno.
You ran
Oh,
around
God.
screaming, I have imposter
It
vision, I'm
had
gonna
to
get
happen.
you. I'm gonna get
That's
you.
game,
I
baby.
have imposter vision.
That's game. Let's go. Oh my
Oh god!
Oh,
I told you guys it wasn't him.
Alright, they
I
definitely know
told
who
you.
it is, right?
I'm going to light.
Alright, Carl.
Sykkuno,
Yeah, what's up?
our trust is broken.
Well...
The war is on.
Yeah.
Wait,
yeah,
what do you mean the
Sykkuno.
war?
Yeah,
He
the war
has
Wait.
is
been
on.
preparing for this moment all day.
Who,
Yep.
what?
You're dead to me, Sykkuno. You're
you
dead.
got-
Ray, I didn't want to kill you there. I didn't want to
The
kill you there.
Amigops, you're innocent.
She wrote your
Oh,
name
wait,
in the notebook.
you know I'm innocent?
Yeah, it's Carl.
But did
I
you
know it's
think it was
Carl.
me for a while, like at the
No,
beginning?
I thought you were innocent.
Oh. But then you thought it was me after, you know.
Calling you a third imposter.
I did think it was you. Yeah, he's,
Uh-huh,
he's
uh-huh.
the third imposter. You know what, Sykkuno? I'm replacing you.
Which
What?
three should we put in?
With who?
Goodbye. Delirious.
Oh, all right.
Yeah, Sykkuno.
Oh, I'll just
That's-
go
that's
then.
right.
Why you have Carl, Sykkuno?
You had
Oh,
these
I'll
donuts
just go
right
then.
here, Sykkuno.
Yeah, at least I got donuts.
Donuts.
Yeah.
This
what?
is all right. This is
No,
fine.
you know what,
Look.
Sykkuno?
I believe in you.
Next time I'm imposter, you better watch out. You better watch
Yeah,
out.
yeah, that's right.
You better watch
You
out.
better
What,
watch out.
Sykkuno? I have a bone to pick with you. It seems
What?
you're shrimping for everyone except me and
Yeah.
Ray, huh?
Yeah.
Shrimping
I-
for
I-
everyone.
Huh?
What? Have we run out of
Alright.
shrimp tokens?
Look, no,
for
no,
you?
I got
good
plenty
enough
of
for
shrimp,
shrimp,
guys.
Sykkuno.
I got a
For
shrimp
Dream,
cocktail
you're
or
covering
something.
For Carl, you're covering
Oh
for
God, he said
Well-
shrimp cocktail.
What's wrong with
Oh,
a shrimp
jeez.
cocktail?
They want me
Isn't
to
that a
stay
food?
by
You
the
could dip it in the
button, but
sauce.
they're not gonna tell me when to-
The marinara
Oh.
sauce?
Tina, vote
I'm
toast,
confused.
please, Tina.
Oh, I lie.
Oh my God, what's
I
happening
hate
here?
these more than most things.
I have a feeling he's gonna win.
Yeah.
Tina,
No,
vote
no,
toast.
there's no way.
wait,
Toast
wait,
knows
wait,
for
wait.
sure.
Oh, actually, I don't know.
Alright,
Tina, vote toast. I told you it wasn't Sykkuno and you didn't believe me.
Tina, you want me to make this easy for you?
Yes. What?
Then look, Tina, listen
Okay.
to my voice very calmly, okay?
Okay.
Tina,
Why
are you
not?
new to Among Us?
No. I'm just
Why
very...
did Dream have to vent there?
Why did he have to vent there?
Yeah, he vented, right? And that's how we know it's him.
Wait, I
Oh
didn't
my
see
gosh, because he
himself
set
in that?
himself up for a free kill. We know this. That was
I
him,
made
not anybody
Dream
else's
jump
play.
in the vent.
No, he said he can prove it. Toast is trying to take Dream's play. Tina,
I
vote
made-
toast. I was the only one that said it wasn't Sykkuno, and it
Wait,
wasn't
where
Sykkuno.
was the wait, you guys
I
were all
was-
just
Oh, that's
I was
technically
the
true.
only person. I was the yes. We
That's
put you up
technically
for
true.
50-50.
Toast did want to go for me because I was
Put you
memeing.
up for
Remember
50-50.
Dream. We knew it
Tina?
was Dream.
That's gonna make him look
Tina,
really guilty.
Dream did it to
Yeah.
himself because he knew he was gonna get out, so he got a free kill. Listen to me right now.
I think Carl might
Tina?
win this one.
I'm the only person that vouched for Sykkuno, and it wasn't
Oh
him.
God.
Tina,
Sykkuno
I
literally
got
voted
the
for
first
himself.
imposter. We know it's
Okay, I
Dream.
did
No,
vote for myself,
Dream,
but like,
because he, Tina, vote toast. Tina, vote toast. I believe in you, Tina.
Just vote
Tina,
Carl. I got
Do you
it.
have a
think
YouTube
Carl-
channel?
Tina, just vote.
This will
You
be
have a
such a good
YouTube
highlight.
channel.
I knew it. Thank God.
Oh my God.
Thank God.
Oh,
It's a win,
God.
guys.
Thank
We
you.
did it, guys.
This is
Oh,
your
God.
fault.
I'm so proud of you.
well, hold on. Toast knew I was innocent, and he went for me, right? I think that's what.
Yeah, baby.
Oh my God.
Nice job, Carl.
Yeah.
My whole chat is just my points. No.
Oh God.
Now remember.
Hollow. Thanks for the sub and Fuzz.
Thanks for playing.
Oh, thanks for playing, Bretman.
Thanks for playing, Bretman.
Thanks for
Carl
the
did it,
games,
guys.
Brett.
I think it's really
All right,
because
I'm gonna head
Toast
out,
went
guys.
for
That
me
was a lot of
super
fun.
hard.
Toast,
Hey, Dream.
I'm so
Hey, Dream.
sorry.
Oh,
We did it, Dream.
All right.
We did it.
Thanks for playing.
It's my fault.
You did it, but thank you.
No, you did a lot. You did
Oh
so
my
much.
God, he's
so
I got
good.
2 kills. That's good. I helped.
Wait, do we have
Yeah.
a fill? Do we have a fill? Oh, should
Do
we go
we?
to Mira now? We need a
Oh, we
fill,
could.
you guys.
All right, bye guys.
Wait, we need 2 fills.
What?
Wait, Dream's
You're
not.
leaving
Wait,
too?
Oh,
Yeah, I'm heading out. I'm heading out. I
Okay,
gotta
bye.
go.
Have a
Oh,
good
all
day.
right. Thanks for
Thank
playing,
you for
Dream.
having me. It was a lot of fun.
Thanks
As
for
always.
playing.
Love playing with you
All
guys.
right.
Bye.
Oh man, guys, I don't know if we have 2 fills.
Oh God, you guys are
Oh
falling
God,
apart.
we need two
All right,
fills.
guys,
That's a
it's
tough
been a really
one.
good time.
Carl!
I'm just kidding.
Carl.
Oh God,
Oh
okay.
my
okay.
God.
Oh, God.
I wouldn't do that without saying LG.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah,
Oh,
same.
yeah, that's gamer Bible thing.
Gamer
Um,
etiquette.
Kunoe, thanks for the
Just
gift
gamer
sub.
things.
Okay, listen. I'm
So.
sure there's people
I'm
that want
listening.
to play right now.
Yeah, probably.
Yes, Queen Valkyrie.
Let me know if you need one, because I can get one.
I'm
I'm
refreshing.
Oh,
so
you can?
sorry, Toast.
Yeah.
Huh.
You know, Tina, it's okay. You voted, and I'm proud of you for that.
Yeah, good job, Tina.
Tina, why did you vote Toast? I'm curious.
Yeah.
He sounded so calm, and sometimes I think that's his tell. You know, when he does the
Wait, why
calm
No.
wouldn't? Why wouldn't he?
Oh,
Yeah, Toast
no,
doesn't have a
sometimes I
tell
think he-
anymore.
Oh, we got
Squirrel.
Squirrel.
Oh my God, Squirrel, you're here!
Oh my God, we're going nuts for
Oh, Squirrel.
Oh my God, Carl.
Okay.
I'm gonna laugh.
Okay,
Thank you.
Squirrel.
Thank you so much. Ray, that's all I
Oh, Ludwig is gone.
Let's
He's
go!
busy, I think. Oh, Megumi, thanks for the sub. Megumi. Are they okay?
I don't want